Hey guys, what's up? Tesla Man here, and today we're going to be unboxing and briefly discussing the Intel i5 processor 8400. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Intel i5 processor 8th generation has 6 cores. Alright, it uses the Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0, which means performance can be accelerated during peak loads, so cores run faster than the rated operating frequency. It also uses smart cache technology, allowing multiple processors to share cache in order to reduce data storage redundancy, front-side bus traffic, and this system helps to reduce resource underutilization as well. Alright, it also supports Intel Optane memory, which in turn moves larger amounts of data near the processor, helping to optimize performance and reduce latencies. And also, you see, it supports double data rate for RAM. All right. And so, hey, let's go ahead and open this guy up. So excited. So excited. Okay. Here's my installation instructions here. Uh-oh. So excited. Like a little kid. All right, here is the actual processor here. Oh, she's gorgeous, isn't she? i5. All right. And I also have the cooler heatsink fan here. But as you saw in my other videos, I actually bought another CPU cooler, so I'm not going to be using this little guy right here. And I guess that's it. I was looking for maybe some thermal compound as well. I thought thermal compound would actually come with the processor. Actually, it comes on the actual heatsink. So that's what they did in the packaging. They actually put the thermal compound on the heatsink versus just putting a tube or something in the actual box. So that's interesting. Alright guys, hey, I hope you like this brief discussion and this quick unboxing of the i5 8th generation processor. Hey, if you guys like the video, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and hey, see you guys next time.